Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to use and populate pre-built templates using your website page builder. This can come in really handy when you have some new content to add and you have a part of your website that you liked and you want to replicate that. If a part of your website hasn't been created as a template, you can just contact us and we can set that up for you. This video also assumes that you already know how to edit your site with the page builder, so if you do not, please look at some earlier videos in the website help section or at the knowledge base. First of all, let's jump into the edit screen by clicking edit with page builder, and then just scroll down to the bottom, and then up here you'll see this icon and it says templates when you hover over it. Click that and that will display the templates that are already predefined. In this case we have 3. Let's add this, 2 columns with an image column and a text column. Click add template and you'll see that this has now pre-populated it. It is a row with an inner row and a heading. Now all you need to do is edit the elements. For further instructions on editing specific elements like the heading, the text block and the single image, you can view this in the website help section of your website. So for instance, if we want to change this heading to services, we just click that pencil icon, click services and click save changes. And then perhaps one of our services is construction. So we click construction, click save changes, and that is now displayed. If we wanted to add an image here, click edit single image, go to the image you want or upload a new one, and click set image, and click save changes. You see now that the image is there, and this has populated quite a few for you. Let's say we don't want that and we want to add a new template instead. You can click to expand the row and delete it. And then click templates, and for instance, row padded left and right content. If you click on that, you will see that what that does is that creates a row similar to this one up here. So the row isn't full width of the site container because that goes to here, but sometimes text looks better when it is in a thinner row like that. So this is just a really simple template, so you don't have to worry about adding offsets and spacing. So you can click append to column here, and then for instance you could add a text block by typing txt, click that, and then this is where you can populate your text or make that bold for instance. And then there it is in the full row. Just to compare a normal row, if we click new row, you'll see that the row goes all the way to here and here. And if we were to have that text there, it's very stretched, whereas it looks better in a thinner container. The final template we have predefined in this one is a hero banner. Now, you may have more templates in your website that just pertain specifically to your company, and so you can just use those and populate those as you would these ones. For instance, click hero banner, and then you'll see here it has added a element with white text with a bit of text shadow, and it is quite tall. And the reason it is quite tall is because we have added predefined spacing in the code, and this is hard coded, so if you want to change that you'll have to contact us. If we wanted to add a background image to this, which is the main reason for this hero banner, is you click row, expand it, click edit row, and then click design options, click plus. Find an image you want, click set image, save changes, and then you'll see that is now there. If you wanted the content to be in the middle, then you can go to the row options, and then content position down here, middle, save changes, and you'll see that that's where it now is. And then we just need to click update to publish that, and you'll see that now that is there. And this may look familiar because that is the hero element template we've used. For more information or help, you can contact us, or you can look at the website help section of your video, or go to knowledgebase.co.nz.